Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If you wish to learn how to update the latest Wi-Fi drivers on your system, then watch this video. So the easiest way we can do it is through Windows Update. Right click on the start button, go to settings, click on Windows Update and then click on check for updates. Once it is done, you can click on advanced options, optional updates, and then you need to uh, update and install any driver updates here. This will probably include your Wi-Fi update. You will get a update a driver available box and you need to click down on it, drop down and then click on the driver you want to update and click on install. Now the next thing you can do is from the device manager. So look for your network adapters and see the name of the company you have, MediaTek Wi-Fi wireless LAN card. Okay, click on update driver, select automatically for drivers, and that should do it. But the best solution or the best option to download the driver is directly from the manufacturer's website. Now, since I have the Asus laptop, I know that Asus will carry the driver for me definitely. But before that, I will just go back to device manager and I will right click on it, click on properties and then click on driver tab, and I will see that this driver is MediaTek and the driver version is 3.4.2.14046. So I will look for a version that is better than this, that is more recent than this. So I will go to the browser and then I will look for the Asus laptop. You can look for the WLAN update, WLAN driver, that is the LAN driver which updates your Wi-Fi, and then click on the said link. Now if you ask me how did I find my model number and how did I find out Asus, then you need to see my video in the same channel on how to download the latest drivers from any manufacturer's website. You watch that video and you'll come to know how I found out the model number. It's a very simple command that you need to enter in command prompt. Now we will look for the Realtek WLAN driver. We'll download it and then we will install it. You can see this package includes a Realtek wireless LAN driver to provide better Wi-Fi connection experience. So this is the latest driver. I can see that this is the device list. I can see these are the latest drivers. So I will download it and then I will right click it and click on run as administrator on the installer and I will install the latest Wi-Fi update. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.